Want an amazing sound without breaking the bank? Today we're counting down the top 5 budget integrated amplifiers of 2025, all under $500. From mini powerhouses to feature-packed smart amps, these picks prove you don't need to spend big for big sound. Stick around till the end, because our number 1 choice will blow you away. At number 5, we have the Fosi Audio BT10A Bluetooth 5.0 stereo audio amplifier, a tiny box with a surprisingly powerful punch. Don't let its size fool you. This Class D mini HiFi amp delivers 50 watts per channel with a reliable TPA3116 chip, making it a solid choice for small to medium-sized rooms. One of its best features is Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, letting you stream music wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or laptop with stable playback and no dropouts. Pair it with a good set of passive bookshelf speakers, and you've got a compact yet impressive home audio setup. And here's the kicker, it's currently minus 8% off, bringing the price down to just $45. That's incredible value for what you're getting. Which amp is your favorite so far? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this countdown. Back to the BT10A, the design is compact, lightweight, and super easy to place on any desk or shelf. For under $50, this little amp is easily one of the best entry-level amplifiers you can buy in 2025. At number 4, we have the Cambridge Audio AXR85, a solid integrated amplifier that brings classic British hi-fi sound into the budget category. With a price tag of $399, this amp is all about delivering warm, natural audio that's perfect for music lovers who value clarity and detail over gimmicks. The AXR85 delivers 85 watts per channel, giving you enough power to drive most bookshelf and floor-standing speakers with ease. That makes it an excellent option for medium to large rooms where you want to fill the space with clean, dynamic sound. Cambridge Audio has a long history of crafting reliable, audiophile-approved gear, and this model stays true to that legacy. One standout feature is the built-in phono stage for turntables, which means vinyl fans can connect directly without needing an extra preamp. It also includes multiple RCA inputs, a 3.5mm AUX input, FM/AM tuner, and even Bluetooth, so whether you're spinning records, streaming music, or plugging in older gear, the AXR85 has you covered. Back to the AXR85. For under $400, it strikes a balance between modern convenience and that timeless hi-fi sound Cambridge Audio is known for. A reliable, powerful amp that's perfect for anyone wanting a long-term upgrade to their home audio setup. At number 3, we have the Yamaha A-S501BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, a true workhorse that delivers Yamaha's legendary natural sound in a sleek, modern package. Priced at $599, this amp sits right at the edge of our budget list, but the performance you get makes it well worth the investment. The AS501BL pumps out 85 watts per channel at 8 ohms, providing plenty of clean power to drive a wide range of speakers. What sets Yamaha apart is its pure direct circuitry, which bypasses unnecessary processing to deliver the most accurate and transparent sound possible. The result is audio that's clear, detailed, and true to the original recording. This amp offers a versatile range of connections, including optical and coaxial digital inputs, making it perfect for pairing with modern devices like TVs, CD players, or streamers. There's also a phono input for vinyl lovers, as well as multiple analog inputs for traditional setups. Back to the AS501BL, with its combination of power, build quality, and Yamaha's natural sound philosophy, it's one of the best options under $600 for anyone who values pure, faithful music reproduction. A rock-solid choice for both new and experienced hi-fi enthusiasts. At number 2, we have the NAD D 3020V2 Hybrid Digital Integrated Amplifier, a compact amp that redefined what a modern hi-fi system could be. Priced at $599, it's small in size, but huge in performance, blending classic NAD sound with modern digital convenience. The D3020V2 delivers 30 watts per channel, but don't let that modest number fool you. Thanks to NAD's hybrid digital amplification technology, it sounds far more powerful than its rating suggests. It's designed to drive a wide variety of speakers with ease, offering clean, dynamic, and detailed sound across genres. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. You get optical and coaxial digital inputs, analog inputs, and even a dedicated phono stage for turntables, something many compact amps skip. On top of that, it comes with aptX Bluetooth, giving you high-quality wireless streaming straight from your phone or tablet. The design is another highlight. Sleek, minimalist, and space-saving, it fits effortlessly into any setup, whether on a desk or in a living room. Back to the D3020V2. For under $600, it offers audiophile-grade sound in a compact, modern package, making it an ideal choice for music lovers who want performance, flexibility, and style without taking up much space. Finally, at number 1, we have the WiiM Amp Pro, a feature-packed multi-room streaming amplifier that's redefining what a budget-friendly amp can do. Priced at $379, it delivers an incredible mix of power, versatility, and smart features you usually only see in far more expensive gear. The WiiM Amp Pro isn't just an amplifier, it's a complete streaming hub. With support for Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and more, you can stream directly without needing extra devices. It's also fully compatible with Google Cast and Alexa, giving you voice control and seamless integration with your smart home setup. In terms of connections, the WiiM Amp Pro has you covered with HDMI ARC for TVs, optical and coaxial digital inputs, RCA inputs, and a subwoofer output. That means whether you're building a HiFi stereo system or enhancing your home theater, this amp adapts easily. On the power side, it delivers enough wattage to confidently drive bookshelf or floor-standing speakers, while keeping the sound clean and detailed. Add in multi-room support, and you can sync music across different spaces in your home with ease. Back to the WiiM Amp Pro. For under $400, it's the ultimate all-in-one budget amplifier of 2025, combining modern streaming, voice control, and high-quality sound into one sleek package. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 budget integrated amplifiers of 2025 under $500. From the ultra-affordable Fosi Audio BT10A to the classic British sound of the Cambridge AXR85, Yamaha's pure and natural A-S501BL, the compact yet powerful NAD D 3020V2, and finally the feature-packed WiiM Amp Pro. Each of these amps brings something unique to the table, no matter your budget or setup. There's an option here that can take your home audio experience to the next level without breaking the bank. Which one would you choose for your setup? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more reviews, guides, and top 5 lists just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.